Could you tell us a bit your first experience in joining beauty pageant and how did it finally you end up to participate in the first competition?
Um, First it was in my city. The girl who was organizing the beauty pageant asked me to go, and I said yes because I didn't want to have regrets. And I'm a curious person, and I didn't know about beauty pageant, so I just said okay, yes, why not? I wanted to celebrate this thing, and I love it now. And I think it's a very good experience because I was a beauty student, and beauty pageant it's another thing, and do both is a very good experience.
Okay. And what do you see maybe the challenge as a woman? What is the meaning of beauty to you? And what do you see the challenge that women of nowadays faces so far? Challenges that women in nowadays, modern days, are facing. What do you think? And maybe from your role as a Miss Universe, what can you do to maybe provide solution to the problems of women in nowadays?
I think the biggest problem is the equality between women and men. And I think as Miss Universe, I can speak for all the women. I can try to open the mind of the world. And I know it's not just in 1 year, but I know year after year we can change mind. And I want equality for women because we deserve it. And I know we have to wait, but we have to stand up. Every woman in the world has to stand up and has to speak for the equality and have to ask because this is our right.
Dire la beauté, the beauty for
Yeah.
que veut dire la beauté?
Beauty for me is not just apparence.
On the outside, outside.
I think beauty is coming from inside. If you have a good soul, if you have a good heart, you're beautiful. My mom is the most beautiful person in the world for me because she's a very good person and she loves people. She tries to do her best every day, and I think that's the true beauty for me. It's just be a good person and try to do the best thing that you can for the people.
So your mom is your role model, maybe your inspirations.
Yeah, my mom is my inspiration because I want to be like her because I have a lot of respect for her. And yeah, I want to be like my mom.
What did you see the most interesting in your mom that you really want to be like? You said you want to be like her. What quality that you like
My
from her?
mom is all the time positive. She's a positive person. She loves her life. She works hard all the time to do her best for her children. And I think that's the good quality she has is work a lot harder and better for her family. And I want to work harder like her.
Okay, and now maybe after you visiting this training center and you saw many things that Garuda had provided the training to its crew, what do you think about this training that Garuda has provided so far? And maybe it's related to the to the award that Garuda have so far. Garuda has an award.
Un prix pour comme la meilleure.
Yeah.
It was the first time I see emergency being in the water, and it was very interesting for me. I think it's a good thing because we feel safe in the plane when we know that once a year. The crew has to do that, so I think it's a very good thing, and I look forward to fly with Garuda.
Yeah.
Sorry for that.
Have you ever flown with Garuda? Have you ever flown with Garuda?
No, but I want to. Like I feel that I just do the plane, and it looks very comfortable, and I think we feel safe because of the training. So I want to go, and I just did a flight simulation. So the next time I will try that.
Is it a scary experience to fly in
No,
a
it
simulator?
was a very funny moment. I loved it. I want to be a pilot now.
Your file. Okay, now to the next question, still related with the flying experience. So what do you see an airplane that should have that maybe you will choose to use the airplane instead of other airlines? What do you want to see or to have from an airline?
I think the more important is the comfort and the hospitality of the crew. So when I go to the plane, I want to feel like home. I want to see the smile of the crew, and I think it's the most important.
Yeah. And what?
Yang paling diutamakan adalah gimana pramugari cara melayani kita, sama seperti kita berasa di rumah. Jadi apalagi kalau misalnya kita menghadapi perjalanan yang panjang, nah kita pengen itu nggak berasa. Apalagi kan di atas pesawat biasanya kita bosan, nah kita pengen dilayani. Nah tadi saya melihat Garuda Indonesia memiliki itu semua. Baru kali ini saya datang ke sini tadi, pas melihat kenapa Garuda Indonesia bisa mendapat penghargaan di Best Cabin Crew. Saya bisa lihat sendiri.
And so you think that all the cabin crew is friendly and want to serve you the best?
Comfort is important also, and security. Thank you.
Okay. Could you tell us about your experience in your childhood with your teenager? What is the most inspiring moment that you have so far, and that moment influences you right now? Or gives you influence on
Votre enfance, est-ce que ça, votre enfance, est-ce que ça vous influence beaucoup?
My childhood was a very happy childhood, sister, brother, and yeah, of course I think education stops everything, so that's because of my mother, that's because of my father, my sister, my brother, that I'm here today and that I'm this person, so I think the childhood is everything for people.
Le moment
He has me the childhood.
Non, le moment le plus inspirable, inspiring moment in your life.
The most inspiring moment in my life was my first year of medicine, because it was a very hard year and I worked a lot for that, and it learned me a lot of things about myself. And I was very young, I was 17, and I was alone in my apartment during 1 year, and it was a difficult moment for me, but it was a very good inspiration, because every day I wanted to wake up very early to do my passion, and I think it learned me to work hard to have what I want. So it was a very inspirational moment.
Okay. So, and what do you see yourself in next 5 years? Maybe what will you do? What do you want to do?
I hope in the next 5 years, maybe I will have a
Masih banyak bagiannya nih apa membahagiakan jadi orang yang sukses
And I will be a dentist, I hope.
Oh, you pursue your career as a dentist. Okay. And next of all, travel to Indonesia outside, maybe for traveling purpose?
Sorry?
Where have you been to Indonesia so far? Your travel place?
I have a correction. She flew on Garuda. We flew on Garuda to Bali.
Okay.
We did. I totally forgot about that. When we sat up in the
Oh yeah,
front.
Jakarta to Bali.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, what do you think the experience using a
It was a very good moment. I slept all the flight, so it was very comfortable.
And the cabin crew was so friendly.
Yeah, of course, it was friendly. You know, I slept all the flight, so I just saw the cabin crew at the beginning and at the end, but it was a very good moment.
And there is also entertainment like a TV.
I got that.
Okay, now maybe travel destination in Indonesia. So besides Bali, maybe what other places, maybe a travel destination in Indonesia that you have been visited or maybe you want to visit?
Okay, yeah. Yesterday night, I learned about the lake
Toba. Toba.
So I want to see this lake because they show us a lot of pictures and it looks so beautiful. So maybe one day I can visit it. I was in Bali, in Jakarta, and I love these places, but I just learned about the new Bali, and I think Indonesia is very rich, and I want to see other things now because I know there is a lot of different paysages.
Oh iya, pemandangan yang berbeda.
Oh, okay.
Ya.
Yes, I know. So, and then, what do you think of Indonesian tourism so far? So, from your experience to visit Bali and Jakarta, what do you think about Indonesia?
En général, qu'est-ce que vous pensez du tourisme indonésien?
I really like it. I understand why a lot of people are visiting the country every year and why a lot of French people are visiting this country because this is a very beautiful country. The culture is very beautiful and the people are very warm. So I'm very happy and I hope I can visit more and I hope I can bring my family here to pour leur faire découvrir le pays.
Ya, untuk bersama-sama menjelajah negara ini.
Don't forget to post it in social media. Okay, dan mungkin bagaimana tourism Indonesia gitu. Gimana juga karantina saya dapat pembekalan dari Bapak Menteri kita akan mempromosikan 10 Bali-Bali karena orang luar negeri rata-rata mengenai Indonesia hanya Bali. Dan menurut saya Indonesia tuh punya kelebihan di kekayaan alam dan juga tempat-tempat yang indah. Dan saya pengen Indonesia itu tak hanya di tempat Bali dan maka dari itu sebagai putri Indonesia juga saya harus ketika saya ke ajang internasional saya harus mempromosikan Indonesia di bidang pariwisata dan what do you have any maybe advice or suggestion to women, especially maybe teenagers, female teenager who want to grow up as women and also have
Advice for what? Sorry,
Les
I
conseils.
cannot hear you.
Des conseils pour les jeunes femmes qui peut-être un jour vont grandir comme une femme. Les conseils.
What is your advice for
For
the
the
young
teenager?
women?
Yeah. Conseils.
My best advice is be the best person that you can be and be loving, like love the people around you and work hard for your ID and be proud to be a woman and do whatever you want in your life and choose your job, choose your life because you're young and you can do everything and be confident and be proud of who you are.
Yes, university. Le secret de beauté, je conseille.
I use spray water all the time, and I use a very good cream. It's Elizabeth Arden. It's English cream. I use it at night. It's very popular. It's like something to repair your skin. So I think that's my beauty secret. It's not a secret now. That
Cream, you use
Yeah.
something to...
it's important to protect your
Hygiene
skin, and especially protect your skin the sun. And I think you have to. We have only one skin, so it's very important to take care of.
Often abandon to use cream, they think, I'm still young, but it keeps the...
Yeah, you have to hydratation. The word
What did you say?
hydratation.
Irritation?
No, hydratation.
Hidrasi, hidrasi.
Very
Hidrasi, hidrasi.
dry skin like that.
It's very important.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Okay.
Lagi.
Can we have pictures together?
Oh yeah,
Can we
please.
have a picture together?
Please.
Boleh ya?